Hello everybody, it's Penny from Fitting Boutique. I just opened another bag, but I didn't open that nice. So anyway, I opened it up. This is the last bag we have, and I thought we'd go through it, do a little unbagging, okay? So let's move all this out of the way. I think you see something that might be interesting. I hope you're all having a fantastic Canada Day. For those that, celebrate Canada Day. If you have a day off and just chillaxing, let me try and kind of separate a little bit of this. Let's see what's going on here. Hubby and I are going to go for ice cream shortly. Okay, we have, this is pretty, a gold tone necklace, lobster claw clasp, kind of like branches. Yeah. Oh, and some of these pieces that I found yesterday, they are going to be coming for sale shortly. I think one is a mid-century modern necklace, the copper one, and what was the other one? I think the other one was a Butler, Nikki Butler, so yeah. Okay, so that's cute. Okay. Okay, what's this? Here we got a pair of earrings, floral, gold tone, kind of cute, really 70s style. They're cute. We got a seed bead necklace in blues and pinks, lobster claw clasp. Pretty colors. Triple stranded or there's 4 strands to each side. So I'll show you that. And what's going on here? We got some entanglements. Okay. Got an earring. Okay, what is this? We got lots of tangles here. Did anybody do anything exciting for Canada Day? We just watched movies with my mom on the weekend, and today Gary and my husband and I just chilled. That's a pretty little earring. I like the green, very pretty. We're watching a new little series, Mayor of Kingstown, that's what it's called. It's pretty good. So we're just watching that, had supper, and watched that, and then we're gonna go for an ice cream cone. Okay, here's a matching earring, always good to have. Can you guys see this stuff okay? Let's see. Well, that's pretty. I'm hoping that all the stones are there. But I don't think it's, no, I don't believe it's, I don't think this is vintage just because of the clasp. Let's have a closer look here. It needs a good cleaning. What a pretty necklace though. Soak that in some soap and then some, look at that. See, the stones are there. It's pretty. See if it cleans up. It's not heavy either. Here's the back. Oh, there is a tag on it. I don't know. I don't think I've ever heard of that person. Yeah, I've never heard of them. But I'll clean that up and see, have a closer look at it. Okay, silver tone necklace. Looks like it's in nice condition. Lobster clasp. I don't see any issues with it. That's the back. Okay. Another necklace. Is this hematite? Yes, and it is. And is it Moon Glow? We have 2 bracelets, stretch, so hematite, and I believe that's Moon Glow, or correct me if I'm wrong, but that, and then we get a pink one, and it is the magnetic hematite. Cute. Some seed beads, which would, oh, there's the other earring, yay! Okay, so there's the other earring to the one we found the other day. These are nice. They're in nice condition. I haven't tested them or anything, but these are really nice. So we found the other one. That's good. These look like they match the stretch bracelets, the little stretch bracelets that we found yesterday. Pretty seed bead colors, long necklace. Yeah, you could double this for sure. Okay, pull it back out. But yeah, same colors. Okay. Oops. What is this? Do these go with that necklace maybe? Some post earrings. They almost look the same. Very pretty. Clean them up. Hopefully they turn out okay. Okay, what else have we got? Put that over there. Oh, here's an earring. No, it looks like it's a super long earring. It looks like it has feathers on it. Rhinestones and feathers. There we go. Dangles. Hopefully find, oh, I think we got another one. Yeah, it looks like it. Perfect. It's always great to have a match. Those gold tone ones, they're really nice. Okay, that one's stuck in there too. Couple earrings. Oh, we have these are pretty. Hopefully we have 2 of these. Well, we have another one of these, but it's missing a feather. Wonder if I could put, oh, these are pretty. The bottoms here. Wonder if I could put something on there instead of feathers. So we do have a pair of those. Oh, here's another one. Hoop. What is this? Okay, this one's going to be a gigantic mess if you can just see it. Okay, what is this? Okay, maybe not. Wait. I have, it's a silver tone chain. Let me move some of this. But I think, I don't know what this does, to be honest with you, or how it goes. I don't know. It goes like that. I don't know what this is. Okay. Okay. Maybe that's... Oh, okay. like so. I know I'm not doing it justice while it's sitting like that, but yeah. So there's that, and it's sticking to the hematite. This, what is this? Okay, I don't like this. It's gonna go into craft. Because it's got lobster clasp, but this is, oh, it might be leather. I'll have to look at it closer. If it's leather, then maybe, but I thought it was rubber, but it does not stretch. And you have this. This would be better if it was on a chain, in my opinion. But, and then this. We'll see. Okay. Silver tone, acrylic beads, or gunmetal black, I'd say. Yeah, I'd say gunmetal black. Super long, great for layering. I'm gonna move these because they're sticking everywhere. What's this one? Okay, let's take this out. So we have really long red and white. Let's see. These are plastic beads. Necklace, it's all one. It says Hong Kong on it, but I don't see. It says made in Hong Kong. Very lightweight. So let's go in here. I think we got a couple of necklaces. Almost look like they're the same, or they're together. Nope, they're not. Alright. This looks like it's super long. The chain is, I don't know if it's supposed to be gunmetal black, but it's got a lot of wear on it. And then it has these foil. I think these are just acrylic. And, oh, there is a tag on it. It says New York. And then, this may be a, this may be a, let me see this, sir. No, there's no clasp on it. I thought it was maybe a belt. But anyway, it's gold tone. So yeah, another one that's long. And then we have another copper piece pendant. This isn't as, but it has some copper metal. This is kind of cool too. I gotta test this and look it up. But yeah, I think I did a quick look up on that one and on this one, and it was saying mid-century modern. I think it's really cool, something different. I don't know if it's the same person as this. I just did a quick search, but this is kind of cool too. I don't see any tags or anything. I don't know if there's supposed to be something inside there. But yeah, that's cool. And that's it, guys. So let's see. To recap, we got this silver tone necklace. These like 70s flower power earrings. All right. I hope I find another one of these soon. These ones. These earrings with rhinestones and feathers. This still reminds me of the 70s. These earrings, I'm hoping they come out good. This necklace, which I think is kind of cool. The gold tone with like the tree branches. This is cool. Seed beads in blue. Seed beads the same as the bracelets we opened yesterday. Some more earrings, at least another pair. Okay. Some hematite. And then we got a match to this one. And then this is those beads, gold tone, this one, and that silver tone that kind of has the across the statement piece. So, I think that's everything. Yeah, the other ones have these beads, and then we have these ones. I think they're all going to go in craft. Same as this, probably. This is cool. Put that aside. And that's what we found. I hope you guys like this little quick video of another unbagging. Might have found one or two pieces that might be worth the bag anyway. All right. Thank you guys for watching so very much. I'm gonna go and have some ice cream and cool off. All right. Thank you. Bye.